Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain lesson number 12, connecting with people. In before lesson number 11, you have learned about different ways of transport. But here in lesson number 12, you are going to learn different ways of connecting with people. See here, why do we need to connect with people? We like to share and talk the different things that happen in our life, that happens in our life with our friends and relatives. So how you will share? You may be sharing by making a call to them, or by writing letters and sending letters to them. So why do we need to connect with people? We need to connect with people, with different people, not only friends and relatives, with other people. We need to connect with other people to know about the things that happens in the world around us. Is it clear, children? So what are those things that connect with other people? See, by sending letters. See here, in olden days, we are having only land phones. We are not having cell phones. So many people used to write letters, and they used to post these letters in the post office. And it may reach within 1 week or 10 days to whom you have sent the letter. So this is inland letter. And the next one is emails and messages. So you can send emails and messages through your smartphones. If you are having computer, you can send emails through computers. And the other one, talking over phone. So nowadays everybody is using smartphone. And in that smartphone you are having Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, so many things. So you can talk through the phone. And you can make a video call through the phone also. By seeing the person, you can talk with them, those who are staying in different countries or in different places. And reading books and newspapers. See here, this is the newspaper. The newspaper will be publishing in different languages. See here, in this newspaper you will be knowing different news, sports news, things that are happening around the world. All the news you can read from these newspapers with different languages. Whatever language you want, you can read in that language. Is it clear, children? And here, watching television. Through watching television also, you'll be able to know the news. See, you'll be having news in Telugu, in English, in Hindi, in all languages. And you'll be knowing, and you'll be having fun with the television also by watching Pogo channel, whatever channel you want. So along with that, you'll be having news channel also. So these are the different ways: sending letters, emails and messages, talking over phone, reading books and newspapers, watching television. Is it clear, children? And here, things to connect with people. What are the things that you'll connect with the people? Letters. See, by writing letters and sending the letters. See here, this girl is posting the letter in the post box. This is the post box. And next, the post office will be having some timings. The postman will come and collect all the letters that are posted in the post box. Then he will take all those letters and he will be sending to the places and the addresses in what they have written in the letter. Is it clear, children? And next, phone. So through phone you can make a video call, you can chat through WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, like that. And television. So you can see the picture in the television also. By hearing and by seeing the picture and knowing the news throughout the world from the television. And newspaper. Already you have learned that you know the news in the newspaper. And the last one is computer. So with the help of the computer you can send emails in the mailbox. So these are the different things. See here, this lady, she is chatting in a video call. laptop. Laptop, tablets also you can use for chatting. And here the man is reading the newspaper. And here the friends are sharing their things and views with each other. And here the girl is posting the letter in the post box. And here this boy is chatting on the phone with his friend. And here this is letter, England letter. And this is telephone. In olden days or before the cell phone came, we used to talk through the land phone. Afterwards, cell phones came and now we are using the smartphones. And this one is the radio. See, through radio we can listen the songs and the news, but we cannot see the picture. The difference between radio and television is, in the television you can see the picture, but in radio you cannot see the picture. Only you can hear the news and songs through the radio. And here newspapers and television. And this is the computer. So these are the different things that we use to connect with different people, to share our things, our views with our friends and relatives. Is it clear, children? I hope you have understood this lesson. Watch the video and read the textbook. Thank you.